everyone, welcome back. So today we're going to take a look at how to separate column of full name into first and last name like I have done here. So let's go ahead and delete all of this stuff. So there's a more complicated way of doing it, and if you want to check that out, I'll link it down in the description or up in the cards or something. Go check that out. That's more fun, but we're going to take a look at the more simple way of doing it today. So what you want to do is go ahead and select your entire column of data. Go to this tab called data and we'll go to text to columns. So here we have two options. We can go with delimited or fixed width. Both will work in this situation, but we're going to go with delimited. Click on next. So what you can do is use all of these delimiters to separate out your data. So here I have chosen space. When you choose space, it's the space that separates the first name and the last name. So you can see that the data has been separated here. Let's go ahead and click on next, and for destination we're going to put it at B2 because we don't want it to replace our data but rather be populated on these two columns here, and click on finish. So that's how you do it. If the video helped, please subscribe, and in the next video we're going to take a look at how to actually join this data to make it into full name in one column. So in this column we're just going to put in the full name from these two columns. So if you're interested, I'll link that down in the description as well. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe and hit the like button. That helps a lot. And I will catch you guys in the next one.